No?
Hindi alam ang gawin. Why not? Hindi alam why you laugh.
Because you're so cute. The way you try to talk Tagalog, it's so cute.
Not for me.
Not for you. Can you say it again?
Hindi alam ang gawin.
You don't know what you're going to do.
Oo.
Oo. Oo. Opo. Say opo. It's polite to say opo.
Opo.
Instead of saying oo, if you're younger and you're talking to
Opo.
elders
Opo.
or older than
Opo.
you, say opo.
Opo. Opo?
Opo is water. Watermelon.
You say to say opo, so I say opo.
Okay.
Hindi alam what the opo mean.
It's polite word to say yes in Tagalog.
Yes,
If you're-
in Tagalog.
In English, it's just yes, it's fine. But if you're speaking in Tagalog and you're talking to elders or older than you should say opo instead of oo. Because oo means yes.
Opo.
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 The accent is different.
Opo.
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 Yeah, that's it.
Opo.
Yes, very good.